In the modern world, the question of why people do not want to start a family is becoming increasingly relevant. This phenomenon can be explained by various factors, including social changes, personal beliefs, economic conditions, and cultural influences. One of the key reasons is the shift in societal norms and expectations. In the past, starting a family was considered an essential stage in everyone's life, but today more and more people are questioning this idea. Individualism, which has spread in many countries, emphasizes the importance of personal happiness and self-realization, which is sometimes perceived as incompatible with family responsibilities. Economic reasons also play a significant role. The high cost of living, the necessity of long-term financial planning, and job market instability force many people to delay starting a family or abandon the idea altogether. Young couples often face difficulties in acquiring housing, paying off student loans, and ensuring a stable income. Moreover, some people believe that starting a family might limit their financial opportunities and freedom. Personal reasons are no less important. Many people fear taking on the responsibility of caring for a partner and children, as this requires emotional maturity and significant effort. Some have negative experiences of family life observed in their parents or friends and do not wish to repeat these mistakes. Others simply are not ready to sacrifice their time and resources for others. Modern culture also influences the perception of family as an institution. Movies, books, and social media often popularize a life without restrictions and responsibilities, making the idea of starting a family less appealing. Furthermore, the increasing emphasis on career growth and self-development leads many to focus on their goals and postpone family plans indefinitely. Women who increasingly choose professional paths and achieve success in their careers sometimes find it challenging to combine these accomplishments with the roles of wife and mother. Technological progress is also reshaping perceptions of relationships and family. Dating apps and social media create the illusion of countless potential partners, which can complicate decision-making and reduce the willingness to commit seriously. People spend more time in virtual spaces, sometimes leading to superficial relationships and a loss of interest in forming long-term bonds. Another factor is the changing roles of men and women in society. Traditional family ideals are giving way to new models that allow individuals to choose their own paths. Some men and women do not feel the need to start a family because they find other ways to fulfill themselves and experience happiness. For many, friendships, travel, hobbies, or self-development hold greater importance. It should be noted, however, that not all people who choose not to start a family do so for negative reasons. Some consciously opt for a different lifestyle that aligns with their values and needs. This can be a deliberate choice based on a deep understanding of oneself and one's desires. It is important to respect such choices and not impose societal expectations, as every individual has the right to live according to their beliefs and preferences. Thank you for watching.